you return, and then follow me in a really short gap. Accelerate. Here you go off throttle. Now change direction to the left. Beat the inside point there. Now on gas for the exit. Here on the left hand side we reduce. Be careful on the curb. The second car you were too early on gas. Here take your right exit radius. Then turn into the right hand corner. Come to the exit and brake. Here.
So, same procedure like before. When we pass the gate, one step to the left. You remember the bridge moving down, and then the bridge being one step to the left. For your understanding, when the gaps are not closed and we are not compact, I'm waiting always for you because you have to understand me. I will see always all four cars in my mirror, no? Not because I can then avoid an accident, but maybe verbally I can help you. I can scream or whatever. This is why I prefer, and also my colleagues are doing this, that we can see you. And if you make the gap. Remember shifting down to the third gear for the chicane. The corner of the car, and then pass out. Okay, second car, with the accelerator, going left here now, or here. Right front wheel, upward, right front wheel at the corner, left front wheel at the front, on the right, still right, right. Somebody's on the radio again on the button.